I've had a lot of people ask me lately how I create the back cover and spine from an existing cover. For instance, an ebook cover that you want to convert into a full wrap paperback. So I put together a quick tutorial on how to easily do this in BookCoverly. This would apply not just to KDP, but for other printers as well. I'll also have a tutorial specifically for KDP using their template, and I will put a link for this in the description below when it's ready. So let's get started. First, we'll get into the studio and I will set up the canvas for a 6x9 ebook, and I'll change the background color to match our book. So now I'll select the Uploads tab and I will drop my front cover image right into the library. Let's adjust it to fit. And now I will change the canvas size to a paperback full wrap. I'll make this background color more precise with the eyedropper tool. Now I'll show you how to change the spine width. I'll give it a page count of 284, and you'll see the spine area widen like this. I will readjust the front cover image so it's balanced out. Okay, let's add in the spine copy. I'll use the eyedropper tool again to pick up the exact color of the front copy. Then I'm going to import a font called Lay Major into my fonts library. I had this in all caps, so let's go ahead and retype this in no caps. Better. I'll rotate it 90 degrees and center it inside the dotted lines on the spine. You want to give the type plenty of room within the dotted area. I'll duplicate this type for the author name and make this just a little bit smaller. Now let's add the back cover copy. Using the same font as the rest might be a little hard to read, so let's try another serif. I think I like Laura the best. I'll stretch out the line space. And I think I'll give the top line its own style to grab attention. For this, I will set it in lay major to match the title. As an option, you can add your own ISBN barcode, and here I will show you how. Over here in the right-hand panel, you'll type in your ISBN and optional price code, which the 5 represents a US dollar, and we'll make this $12.95. Then I'll just place the barcode here at the bottom right. I'll save the file. Then I'll export it as a high-res PDF. This produces a nice, crisp cover in PDF format, ready for publishing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.